Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated in-ground pool lights on the market, the Poolexa 10-inch LED Multicolor Inground Pool Light. If you're looking to enhance your pool's ambiance, this is the product you've been searching for. This Poolexa pool light stands out for its sleek design and impressive features. It comes with a durable stainless steel housing, ensuring that it can withstand the harshest weather conditions. Whether you have a freshwater or saltwater pool, this light is built to last, thanks to its corrosion-resistant design. The light itself is a 10-inch LED with a powerful output of 4,320 lumens, making it bright enough to illuminate your entire pool area, creating a perfect setting for any occasion. What's even better is the customizable lighting options. With 20 different color programs to choose from, you can adjust the light to suit your mood or theme. You can easily control the light using the included RGB controller, which is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Whether you prefer manual control or want the convenience of Bluetooth operation, this light has you covered. It allows you to switch between different colors, adjust brightness, or set it to a dynamic color changing mode, all with the touch of a button on your phone or with the manual controller. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its design that eliminates the need for a housing ring, gasket, or any extra housing. You can install it directly into the wet niche of your pool, making the upgrade process simple and straightforward. The 50-foot cord gives you flexibility when it comes to placement, and if you need a longer reach, the light is also available with a 100-foot or 150-foot cord. This pool light operates on a safe 12 volts voltage, meaning no need for a separate transformer. The included controller integrates the transformer for convenience and ease of use. Plus, it's backed by a 2-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Whether you're upgrading your existing pool lights or installing a new system altogether, this Poolexa LED light is a reliable and aesthetically pleasing choice that won't disappoint. So if you're in the market for a high-quality, durable, and customizable in-ground pool light, the Poolexa 10-inch LED multicolor pool light is definitely the way to go. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more top-rated products to make your home and lifestyle even better.